Okay, hey everybody, Terry Brown. I'm back with another video. I want to share real quick with you. 3 slides I want to share with you in this video, okay? And if you look here for me, it says Oliabo, the olive standard. And of course, Oliabo is a new health and wellness company, okay? Very, very powerful, incredible products with more to come. Okay, brand new company, less than 5 months old at the time of this video, but growing. And we have a powerful team that you can partner with if you so desire. Okay, if you're into the health and wellness and you're looking at that space, you want to get involved, we've got something for you that's absolutely incredible. Okay, so Oliabo, again, the olive standard. Now look here for me. The olive, one of history's most important botanicals, symbolizing peace and prosperity, powerful health benefits that modern science continues to affirm. And I want to say that one more time because that is so vitally important. Okay, and again, powerful health benefits that modern science continues to affirm. So, and you know what that means? That means that you can check this out. You can AI it, you can Google it, whatever you need to do. And I recommend this, and I've recommended it in a few of my videos, and that is that you Google the benefits of high quality olive oil. Okay, high quality olive oil. All right, so let's move on to the very next slide. Okay. Okay, so if you look here for me, and we're going to talk about some of the phytonutrients that are found in the olive tree, etc. Okay, the phytonutrients, they're called polyphenols. All right. And the first one is oleocanthal. Now, they're all, pretty amazing phytonutrients, okay? And if you look here, it says shown to modulate key enzymes in support of joint comfort, a healthy inflammatory response, brain function, and cardiovascular health, okay? And the other one is verbascoside. Okay, verbascoside helps neutralize free radicals to support brain, microbial, metabolic, vascular, inflammatory, and skin health. Okay. And the third one is oleuropein, supports healthy blood sugar, microbial balance, weight management, and cardiovascular function. And these are some of the benefits that we find with our product. Now, I do need to say this, that these statements that I'm saying are based on research, okay, but they may not have been evaluated by the FDA and are not meant to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Okay, so what I suggest that you do is, one, and I mentioned this before, is to Google the benefits of high quality olive oil, and then look at these phytonutrients here. Google what they are and their benefits as well, and see the science for yourself. Okay, all right, one more slide and we're going to close out. Okay. Okay, so we're calling this the awareness gap. And if you look here, okay, it says ancient wisdom, modern science. Okay. The common belief: olives and olive oil are healthy and part of the Mediterranean diet. Common belief: empirical evidence. High quality olive tree derived products contain powerful phytonutrients that offer superior nutritional support. That's absolutely true. That's the science, okay? Now, filling the awareness gap by sharing your story, educating others, and introducing them to products that actually work. That's how lives are changed. That's where real impact and opportunity exists. So let me say this. We've got an awesome home-based business opportunity, okay? If you're looking for some real products that help people and you want to make some good money, then this is something to take a look at. We have a powerful team of people that we work with. Join me, you join our team. We've got weekly Zoom calls. You get motivation, inspiration, and training, okay? And unequaled support with our team. But there you have it for this video today. And I want to thank you so much for taking a moment to check out this video. Be sure to check in the description area of this video. I'll put some information there for you. Some links, a link to my website and a link. I put together a little information page. Check it all out, okay? I'm Terry Brown, wishing you a blessed and amazing day today. Bye-bye now.